So this is a video review for Appwrk Solutions, who I've been working with for some time, and I highly recommend their work. Especially I work with one of their employees, Marcus in particular, who has been, to build a website you need designers and coders, and while Marcus is a coder, actually for a lot of the simpler design elements, he's able to both code but also handle himself. And I've been working within the Shopify environment principally, but he does have capabilities to do other platforms as well. So I would definitely, and after having chosen or tested several other companies, this was by far and away the best, and I foresee a long-term relationship with these guys and would highly recommend to anyone else.